So we have yellow light now. This orange light means that the camera is successfully connected to the network with the SIM card that is inserted inside. So we want to start our app now by hiding the camera. You can zoom it very well so that I can see it. So we want to hide camera now. Then we come to this barcode. Then we scan the barcode. Then we hide the camera. Once the camera is hidden, you can now pick whatever you want to pick as the name. For in this case, let's say reception. So if you want to save it to share with others, you can save here. But in this case, I don't need to save it. Exit. So this is it. This is the 3 screen. If you want to change the mode of the screen, come to this place. Display, vertical. Then go back. So we're going to change to vertical now. You can see. So please use one to hold this camera while you are recording. You can see that see block one's face now. That's one face. Capture both. No, leave it with no one. We'll block one face now. You can capture my screen too. So that's for you to show the activeness of all the 3 screens. Now I want to turn it back now. You see? That's the screen that will turn back. That's the lens that will turn back. So all the lenses are active. So we want to cover the second one now. Second one to be covered. Cover the second one. You can see the middle is covered now. You can see, so it's open now again. You're going to access this. So you can also face it to any direction of your choice. You can see. So 3 lenses are active. And this is the last lens, the big gun that rotates. This is it. You can block it as well. To block on our screen as well. So if it's opened, it's opened. So if you want it to rotate, all you need to just come to this place and let it rotate. So it's rotated to anywhere we want. This active 3 lenses that we have for this camera.